Any business you go into, it's never going to sustain itself if you don't have good people. Whether it's the ice cream store, whether it's the guys that ride with me in the truck, just like JRA. Everybody's super friendly, goes out of their way to help you. It's almost like a family environment. Hi, I'm Mike Reutter. We're based out of New Jersey. I'm the owner and operator of Remove It NJ, Junk Removal and Demolition. My story with JRA goes back about 1.5 years ago. I had opened up a small contracting business. I was trying to flailing around, what am I gonna do with my time? I was watching these videos, reached out to them. Shane called me back immediately. Actually came for a visit a week later. There was no sales pitch. Basically, he was like, how can we help you? And from there, I attended JunkCon and we finally got all the paperwork and we went live in April. What made me want to branch out from the ice cream store, as much work as this business is, there is time with the right people in place here for me to do something else. With the contracting, you give somebody a price. Till that job's finished, you could be doing this job for a month, month and a half. You don't really know what you made off that job until you leave the driveway the last day you're there. With the junk removal, we show up, we do our job, we get paid. At the end of the day, you do your books for that day, and it's a wonderful thing. It's scalable. That's another thing that attracted to me. So going back to JunkCon 2021, what I took from there was about how much customer service plays into this whole thing. I totally did a 180 of how I thought about the customer at that point. The whole ride home, that's all I thought about was, okay, well, let's go. We got to treat the customers the way they're supposed to be treated to get return business. For being in businesses, short amount of time that we have, we've done a ton of repeat business, which feels really good. Just to speak a little bit about JRA and where I would be without them, we just hit job number 100 in a short amount of time, which I feel is pretty good for a small business that just started. I don't think I would be at job 40 without them. It's seriously without the Google ads, the SEO, all the support I get from everybody. Maggie did the website, came out perfect, get tons of compliments. The SEO takes a little bit longer, but I'm seeing it's gaining traction. In the beginning, I didn't know if I wanted to do Google ads. I'm like, well, that's a lot of money for a side business. If you're not doing Google ads, you're wasting your time. Once Steve got them set up, they went live. I think the very first day, I was in the truck with my brother because we had one job to do. I got a call for 3 more jobs that day off of ads. And I looked at my brother and I'm like, I guess this works. I told him, I said, I'm trusting you, just do it the way it's supposed to be done, and I'm happy. And it's like, so as long as the phone's ringing, I said, just keep them coming, we'll take care of it.